Forbes is out with its list of the most powerful celebrities. Here to help us break down the top 10, CBS News business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis. Good morning.
Good morning.
Some tried and tested names on the list and a few new ones.
Some tried and tested names like, for example, Oprah, who topped the list again. She's done it 3 times in 4 years, over $300 million deposited into her empire in the last year. So, of course, that's a big one. Some of the names, though, that you might find surprising on the list.
Some are surprising. So if we look through the top 10, starting at number 10, I think we have a list of the 10 through 6. Some of them you'd expect. Madonna obviously is there. Sandra Bullock, the band U2 I thought was interesting. But at number 6, Britney Spears. And you would have thought she hasn't been as, what would you say, public?
You haven't seen a lot of scandal.
She hasn't beaten up any cars with umbrellas in it. I mean, that's
and when you don't, you get no attention whatsoever
in public.
Yeah.
Why bother
but
talking
what she
about
has done is she's gone on tour, and she actually had the 5th highest grossing tour in the last year. So believe it or not, this is how she's making money. And through Candies, she has this big Candies campaign that grossed her $64 million last year.
Nothing like a little endorsement.
Great news for Kevin Federline.
And speaking of endorsements,
yes,
Speaking of endorsements, Tiger Woods, he lost a lot of endorsements last year because of the scandal, and yet still he is the highest paid sports player of the last year, $105 million richer.
And he's number 5 on this most powerful list,
He is number 5 on that
so
most
clearly it
powerful
hasn't
list.
affected him very much. A newcomer to the list.
There is a potential that fortune could be cut in half next year.
Well, yes.
Once those papers are finalized.
But yes, good point.
That'll be the next installment. Lady Gaga, though, coming in at number 4. And is this her first time on the list?
This is her first time on the list. She had a huge tour, grossed $100 million in the last year. That banked her $62 million. So a huge year for her. And Forbes is basically saying we think she'll be on it again next year.
Unless there was unless she did something crazy at a baseball game. Oh, wait, that happened. And clearly it
those
hasn't
are
hurt
the
her.
kind of things that score her points, and she's getting a lot of points with advertisers who like that edgy spirit. Polaroid has come out, endorsed her. Viva Glam has come out and had her do endorsements with them. So she's getting a lot of publicity, and it's helping her image a lot.
And I think the one thing we can say about this top 10, totally recession-proof. All of these folks.
They actually made, as a group, they made billions of dollars in the last year as a group, and it was more than they made in 2009 as a group. On top of that, James Cameron, of course, we know he did Avatar, Beyonce Knowles, and Oprah Winfrey, number 1.
There she is. Not bad. Rebecca Jarvis, thanks.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.